A team of young digital strategists gathers around a large, luminous table. The atmosphere buzzes with excitement as innovation fills the air. On the central wall, the bold logo of FCR Group pulses in blue and blue, reflecting a commitment to creativity and results. A passionate designer lifts a tablet, showcasing a dazzling new website interface. Other expert types gathering, tweaking an SEO repair as graphs soar upward on the screen. Amid the team lead smiles with pride at the team's synergy.
Every pixel matters, every click counts. That's how we make plans unforgettable.
Pia, head of video marketing, stands beside a storyboard filled with vibrant frames. She gestures animatedly as the director calls for action. The lens zooms in on a product, capturing its best angles in crisp, cinematic detail.
We don't just tell your story, we bring it to life frame by frame.
A team member highlights a client's website climbing the Google ranks. Celebratory high fives echo as numbers soar. Rahul, the SEO strategist, grins, eyes shining with achievement.
Visibility is victory. We put your brand where it belongs, right at the top.
A designer perfects the final touches on a responsive web page, while another crafts an eye-catching logo that leaps from the screen. The team shares feedback, laughter, and inspiration as artistry and strategy seamlessly combine.
We build digital dreams in Gurgaon and beyond. Join us and let's craft your success story together.
Says Amit, his voice filled with confidence and hope. The camera pulls back, revealing the glowing FCR Group logo, a beacon of innovation in the digital age.